Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are trying to learn about what is local SEO. So, local SEO, just I searches here landscaping design in Melbourne. Okay, so here you can see some business profile: Green King Landscaping, Bricks Landscaping, Nathan Bricket Landscaping. And here you can see Melbourne is a specific location. So when any people search this specific location, they show the ad on Google. First of all, they show ad, and this is the organic result. This profile get the first position. This is known as their local SEO. So local SEO is a digital marketing strategy at optimizing business online presence at a customer from relevant local sources. It is particularly beneficial for businesses with physical location, those providing service in specific geographic areas such as dentist, restaurant, local service, etc. So you understand local SEO, you want to get a rank in a specific location. So local SEO focuses on improving business visibility in local searches result. On platform like Google, when user searches for product or services near their location, such as dentist near me, restaurant in Dhaka, restaurant in Washington, local SEO help you ensure that your business appear top of the result. How local SEO work? Search engine like Google use various factors to determine which business are most relevant for local searches. Local SEO optimize this factor and improve the chances business being displayed in search result, particularly in the local pack. Key component of local SEO: Google My Business Profile. It is one of the most important part, because when any people searches, they will find our Google. Then they will nav consistent, that means our business name, address and phone number. Then local keyword is also key component of local SEO. And citation mean listed, getting listed business directories, relevant online platform, and also online reviews, that means Google reviews, and localized content. These are the key component of local SEO. So you understand local SEO, that means if any people searches in local area, they will get the rank in the first position in a specific area, specific location. That is known as a local SEO. Hopefully you understand from my sources what is local SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't understand what is local SEO, let me comment. I will make in details video about this. Okay, I invited you to watch the next video. If you have any questions, let me ask. I will help you to solve your problem. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.